Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're making saffron alioli and we're going to need oil, garlic without germ, some saffron strands, mustard, and salt. That is ground mustard, by the way, and 2 egg yolks that need to be cold. So we're gonna put everything, most everything in the oil. We're gonna blend really, really well. We're gonna make an emulsion and we're gonna set it aside. Then we beat the cold egg yolks really, really well. And the key to the alioli is to add the emulsion really, really slow. So you just add it a little bit at a time and it will start to thicken. And don't forget to taste it. You have to taste it to make sure that, that it has enough salt, basically. That one needs a little bit of salt. And what we're trying to do is get a consistency of mayo, basically, and that's what it is. It's just a flavored mayo, but the Spaniards call that alioli. So you add the salt and you keep whisking. I whisked only for about 2 or 3 minutes. It doesn't take very long, and it's a very delicious sauce that you can serve with fish, like cod fish. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.